Most research projects start with a proposal. You'll probably have to write one before you start your thesis or dissertation. A research proposal is designed to persuade someone that your project is worthwhile, for example, your supervisor or funding body. If you want to know how to write a proper research proposal, then stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jessica from Scribber, here to help you achieve your academic goals. A research proposal aims to reflect the relevance, context, approach, and feasibility of your project. Big words, but what do they mean? Let's find out with some concrete examples. The format of a research proposal varies between fields, but most proposals should contain at least these elements: title page, introduction, literature review, research design, reference list. Now, let's go through what you should include in each element. The title page of your proposal should include the proposed title of your project, your name, your supervisor's name, the institution and department. You should also check with your department to see if there are specific requirements. The introduction is where you hook the reader and demonstrate relevance. Here you should introduce the context of your research problem and show that your project is interesting, original, and important. Here are some questions to guide your introduction. How much is already known about the problem? For whom is this interesting? For example, policymakers or scientists. What are the key research questions that you aim to answer? A strong literature review convinces the reader that your project has a solid foundation in existing knowledge or theory. It also shows that you're familiar with the field. In this section, you're explaining how your project will contribute to conversations on your topic. If you're not sure where to start, we have a playlist on how to write a literature review, where you'll learn about searching for relevant literature, outlining the structure, and more. The research design or methodology section should describe the overall approach and practical steps you will take to answer your research questions. Here are things you should describe in the research design section. Research type: so is it qualitative or quantitative, primary or secondary? Sources: who or what will you actually study? Research methods: what tools and procedures will you use? Practicalities: any foreseeable obstacles in terms of timescale or resources required? Click here to dive deeper into this section. To finish your proposal on a strong note, you can explore the potential implications of the research for theory or practice, and emphasize again what you aim to contribute to existing knowledge on the topic. For example, your results might have implications for confirming or developing a theory, challenging current assumptions, creating a basis for further research. Of course, your research proposal must include proper citations and a reference list for every source you've used. It's important to keep track of your sources right from the beginning. You can create and manage your sources easily with Scribber's free citation generator. Depending on the requirements of your program, you might have to include a detailed timeline and budget of the project. This aims to show that the research is feasible. Within the timeline, you'll explain what you will do at each stage, how long it will take, and how much it will cost. We have an example research schedule in our article. You can take a look here. As in any other piece of academic writing, it's essential to edit and proofread your research proposal before you submit it. For the best chance of approval, you might want to consider using a professional proofreading service to get rid of language errors, check your proposal's structure, and improve your academic style. As for how long the research proposal should be, it really depends. A bachelor's or master's thesis proposal can be just a few pages, while proposals for PhD dissertations and research funding are often very long and detailed. So check with your supervisor. Before you go and start writing, make sure to subscribe for more videos on how to conduct research and write academic papers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +923,346,063,324, and I'll be happy to assist you.